everyone. Do you got a corrupted save file in Elden Ring on Steam? So in this video, I will show you how to fix the corrupted save file and recover your progress. So now let's get started. First, open your Steam library and locate the Elden Ring. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game files for any missing or corrupted data and replace them if needed. Next, check if Steam Cloud is enabled for Elden Ring. So go to Steam Settings, then click on Cloud. If your save data is backed up to the cloud, you can attempt to restore it by disabling the cloud sync temporarily and then re-enabling it to trigger a fresh sync. This could restore your previous uncorrupted save. Now, if the cloud save isn't working, you can try manually recovering your save data. Navigate to the save file location on your PC, which should be under the C, Users, your username, app data, roaming, then Elden Ring. Load for any backup or save files that might still be intact and replace the corrupted file. To avoid save file corruption in the future, make sure you are regularly backing up your save data manually or through Cloud Sync. And that is how to fix a corrupted Elden Ring save file on Steam. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.